Hey guys, ever been out in the field or even in the studio and your batteries are running low on your camera? I've done it plenty of times, and having extra batteries is really nice. The good folks over at Llano gifted me these EOS R batteries so I could do a little unboxing and kind of show you what you get and how it works. This one's a little different. This one has a card reader built in it, which will be kind of nice, especially when I'm going somewhere and I don't want to carry my card reader and all that. I have a case here that will charge my batteries, hold my batteries, and has the built-in card reader. Very well packaged here. What we have here. Now, two batteries here. Now, these are compatible with the EOS R and newer cameras. Now, they do make them for other cameras as well, but the EOS R is what I have there. This is the LPE6P lithium battery, 2600 milliamp hours, 7.2 volt, 18.72 watt hour. You get two of those. Now, I've been using the Llano batteries for probably over a year. I have not had any issues at all with them. I hear some people say that they don't last as long as the OEM battery. And, you know, that could be true because I only have one OEM battery for my camera and it's 3 years old, maybe a little older. So I really can't do a side-by-side comparison to see how much longer these last or how much longer the OEM battery lasts. But I know with my other Llano batteries, they last just as long as the standard OEM Canon battery. Just notice something. These have the indicator here on the back that tells you how charged they are. You just touch the little white spot up there, and these are at 50% right now. I'm going to get them charged up though, and make sure they last as long as my other batteries do. I don't foresee an issue. I've never had issues with Llano batteries. This is an accessory box here. See what we get here. Okay, has a little lanyard here, a carrying bag. Feels like a waterproof bag. That'll be nice. And a thick, heavy-duty USB-A to USB-C charging cord. Now you can plug this into this and transfer your data. When you go to take your card out of your camera, put it in here and plug that all to your computer or laptop, whatever you. It does have a built-in battery in here, it looks like, because it's at 37%. Looks like a little camera. Push the little shutter button looking thing right there, and it'll tell you how much power you have in the case. That's nice. Now, I've got one similar to this, but it doesn't have the built-in battery. That will be really nice. So far, I'm really impressed. And your card slot is right here. That is for a SD card. It's not for a micro SD card. If you have one of those, you need to put card reader in there with your micro SD card in it. Stick your battery and slide it right in there, like so. There you go. Okay, you have your battery on this side, and what looks like a second compartment for a battery is actually an SD card holder. You can just take your SD card, put it in there like so. Bring that camera up a little closer. While I'm moving the camera, let me tell you this. It does have a 10,400 milliamp built-in battery, so you can use this thing as a battery bank as well. If you need to charge your phone, something like that, you can use it to, in an emergency situation, you can use it to charge your phone a little bit. So really, I mean, you just take, you know, you got the curved port right there. There's a curved port right there. So it sits right in there. Flush. Show your battery real quick. You have that little white button right there on the top. Just touch that, and that'll tell you what the percentage is on your batteries. You can just take that battery, drop it in right there, and it starts charging as you see. Your power bank is at 37%, and as we know, the battery was at 50%. Take your card out, drop it right in there. You're good to go. You have your USB-C port right there. Plug that cord into there and into your computer or laptop and transfer your photos or videos or whatever you have stored on the memory card. Anyway, really nice case. Does kind of have a rubbery feel, so it feels like if it gets wet or something, it's not going to be slippery. It's got a little bit of a grip to it, which is really nice. You just push that little power button right there. It kind of looks like a shutter button if you ask me. And it'll show you how much juice you have left in your bank here and how much juice you have left in your battery. Like I said, we're going to get all this charged up good. And I'm going to use the batteries for a little bit and see how well they work. And by the way, there's a comparison of a OEM Canon battery versus the llano. You see they're identical. Now this is using a SanDisk card reader plugged directly into the computer. As you can see, the transfer speed. Now this is the llano card reader / power bank / battery charger. As you can see, it is getting just as good as a dedicated card reader. Okay guys, I got this battery completely 100% full, and the only way I really know to test it is to put it in my camera and just use it. I'm going to use it until I get done with what I need to do, and we're going to see how much juice is left in it. Put in here. And the current time is about 2:13. We're going to call it 2:15. So I'm going to just turn it on, and we're just going to let it go. Battery info. And as you can see, it is 100%. Rechargeable performance. It's got 3 bars, so it's good fresh battery. We'll see how long it lasts. Like I said, I'm just going to leave it running. I'm going to do my video work, and I'll turn it off for just a split second to pop the SD card out, and then I'll turn it right back on. So it shouldn't affect it at all on that, but we're going to see how long it'll run, so stick around. Okay, we are now at 5:30, about 5:31, and this is what we got left on our battery, 10%. This is actually showing 25%, but according to the camera, it's down to like 10%. All right, guys, well, what do y'all think? Did it do a good job? I really thought it did. The portability of this, you can just throw this in your backpack, your camera case, whatever. Take it with you. Has the SD card reader, which read as fast as my dedicated SD card reader that's supposed to be really fast, but obviously it's not, as you could tell. But this is comparable. Does a great job. You don't have to worry about taking anything extra. There's your battery charger in there too. Your little spot to hold an extra SD card if you wanted to carry an extra one with you. 2 batteries, charging case, SD card reader, all in one. I don't think you can beat a deal like that. Worked out really well. Batteries, as you saw, worked just fine. No issues at all. I haven't charged this one up yet, but it will be getting put in the charger. Actually, I can put it in there right now while I'm thinking about it. But the llano batteries have been good for me. Like I said, I've been using them for over a year now, and I don't have any problems. You know, I just swap them out. If it's my Canon battery I grab, that's fine. If it's the llano batteries, that's fine. I can't tell the difference in them. Now, that's using the EOS R. Other cameras, like the newer ones, I can't speak for, but for the EOS R, it does a superb job. No complaints whatsoever. Definitely a thumbs up. I'm going to put a link down in the description to this so you can go check it out and possibly order one for yourself or order one for somebody else. Either way, there'll be a link down in the description so you can check it out. If you got any kind of value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. And by the way, there is a playlist that I will put a link to down in the description that is related to camera gear, lighting, all kinds of things like that. Might interest you, microphones. Depends on what you're in the market for. But anyway, I've got a playlist. I'll put a link down in the description for that too. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.